Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Rum Barber. In a recent video we covered graduating the sides of a haircut with scissors. Now being a busy barber you want to be as efficient as possible and often see graduating the sides with scissors as excessive and time consuming. Especially if you're cutting to finger length, you may think it easier just to use a number 4 guard. But using clipper over comb effectively can achieve an equally good result but also build a stronger graduation.
Begin.
To begin with, we need to understand what effect the different angles and positions we place the comb has on the end result. Firstly, we will look at 3 ranges of position that the comb can be used: horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. The horizontal placement of the comb allows us to build weight, as you can see here by the weight line we have created. If we pull a section of hair out directly from the head and place the comb in the hair vertically, we remove both weight and length at the same time. So when I'm cutting the sides with clipper over comb, I'm predominantly using my comb diagonally, as this allows me to build both weight and remove length. Making my diagonal line more horizontal will help me build more weight, and moving my diagonal line more vertically will enable me to reduce weight. Building up of weight is called graduation, and this is created by the angle in which you use the comb in conjunction with the 3 positions we've just covered. This is achieved by the angle you choose from the base of your comb to the top. That's the part closest to the head to the part that's furthest away. The more I extend the top part of my comb away from the head, the more weight I will build. Keeping the bottom of the comb as close to the head as possible will remove the most length. For example, if I wanted the shortest length on the sides to the length of a 4 guard, I would have the bottom of my comb about ½ an inch off the head. Here I'm applying this method to a haircut that I did in the shop recently. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut a guide or weight line. This is to give me a target length to work to and choose the correct length that will allow my customer's hair to comb back nicely. For this initial guideline, I will place my comb in the hair horizontally as I want to build weight. I keep the comb parallel to the head, so the spine and the teeth are the same distance from the head, and cut a line keeping about 2 inches of hair, as this is a good length to sit back. I work this line towards the back of the head, slightly changing the angle of the comb to follow the head shape. When my guide or longest length is complete, I start working in diagonal sections from the temple area back. The top of my comb is at the guide length, and the base of the comb is as close to the head as I want my shortest point to be. I will repeat this method until I reach behind the ear. As the surface area at the back of the head is larger, your comb will not reach from the guide all the way down to the nape. So you will need to work from the guide down to the occipital bone, then work on down to the nape area. Remember to adjust the angle slightly as you're taking it in 2 parts. Working from the guide, don't have the bottom of the comb as close as it was on the sides around the occipital bone. When I have finished, I cross-check the centre back horizontally, where the two graduated sides have crossed diagonally. Perfecting this method can save you a lot of time and deliver some really nice results, so I definitely encourage you to give it a go. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with somebody who might find it useful, as it really helps the channel. As always, thanks very much for watching. See you next time.